I'm Jeremiah Fox. I'm a carpenter and handyman out here in New York City. How to use a circular saw. Now, a circular saw is a power tool. And so when we're working with power tools, we want to always make sure that we're safe. So the most important part of safety is always your eyes. So you have your safety glasses. And then circular saws make a lot of noise, as most power tools do. So you want to have ear protection with either foam inserts or ear muff type devices. If you feel the need and the stuff you're cutting, you can also have a dust mask to cover your mouth. For this project, we're not going to need that. There's two main styles of circular saws these days. There's the traditional corded model, and then there's the new cordless that work with all your screw guns and other packages. They're essentially the same. One's just powered from your wall, one's powered from a battery. So to use a circular saw, you take the piece of wood that you're going to cut, get your tape measure out. We're going to cut this board at 1 foot. Make 2 marks. Take a straight edge or a square. Then you have your line. So it's important when you're cutting a piece of wood to know which side of the line you want to take out, because your saw is wider than your pencil line is. So if you want to keep the full foot, you'd want to cut on this side of the line. And then if you want to take that foot away or you're saving the rest of it, you want to cut on this side of the line. As a rough guide, you can also use this notch here that even has a little marker here so you know where your blade's going to go. So then, making sure your safety gear is in place, pull the saw back so that the blade is not touching the wood. Take the safety off, pull the trigger, and then begin the cut. And now you have a nice new piece of wood cut to dimensions with your circular saw.